Hi everybody, Philip Roddicker here, John L. Scott. How are you doing? I'm down in beautiful Pacific, south of Auburn. We have a brand new listing right behind me, coming on the market right now. This is a beautiful house. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, nice easy living space downstairs, fully fenced yard, and it's got a 4-car garage. It doesn't look like it here, 2, but it's actually tandem. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got like a kitchenette in the garage, so if you'd like to cook 2 separate kitchen areas. You know what? This house is so nice. You guys just have to come inside, take a look, tell me what you think. Here it is right here.